Hey, what is going on? Welcome back in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a blogger if you don't need it or you are not using it anymore. So let's get started. Open your Gmail account and then just click on this dots on the top right corner. Just click on it, scroll down, and you can see blogger. Okay. Now this is my personal blogger, as you can see here, and I'm going to delete the extra one I have buy from Amazon. Just click on it, choose it. As you can see, there's no post at all. Now I want to delete this permanently. Just click here, settings, scroll down when you find manage blog, and you can see here remove your blog. Click on it and click on delete, and it will ask you your blog was deleted on September 21. Okay, undelete or click on permanently delete. If you want to delete it, then click on permanently delete. Now it's gone. As you can see, there's no another blog. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.